So I just went back here after the meetup. So we will shoot a client right now, a Japanese cafe, which I asked if I can collab with them. And yep, fortunately, they replied, and I'm so excited to take some photo for them and also some videos. So join me today. This is a back-to-back vlog. First, thank you to Josh, who I just met at church and had the conversation earlier. It's really inspiring to hear a lot of your story and yep, exchange some conversation with fellow creatives. So without further ado, let's jump right into our next shoot. And yeah, we need to go now because we're really running out of time. Yon. Okay, let's fix this one. Okay, so now that we've able to fix those things, okay. Story time. So it's a long day today, as you know. We've met Josh right earlier. Then we edited that vlog already. Just a really fast edit, and we rushedly packed our things for the shoot for Cool Japanese Cafe, and I'm really glad that they've accepted my offer. And yeah, we did the shoot. I've met Mikako. Sumire is the owner of the cafe, but she's in Japan right now. So I talked to her cafe manager, which is Mikako, and I did the shoot there. This is just a story time because when I shoot content for these brands or these businesses, especially if I don't have someone with me, I don't have the luxury of time to do BTS for myself. So this is just a story time, and you'll see some footages that I took earlier and some vertical videos that I took with my phone together with my video camera. And yep, the shoot went well. I shot 3 dishes for them and 2 beverages for the span of 1.5 hours. The reason why I need to be that fast because by the time that I'm shooting the beverage, it got busy already, which Mikako informed me prior to my shoot. So for this one, it's tricky because in the Philippines, you have ample of time. You have you have those time for you to set up, to do some relay outing. But here, you need to really be fast and be intentional in every shoot or in every photos that you are taking. Yep, that's the situation earlier. So during the beverage part, I just need to really tidy up things, send the dishes back to the kitchen, and also prepare for the shoot for the beverages. It really went well. I'll show you some photos right now, and I'll be editing it today and send it back to them as soon as possible before this mid-spring break ends. Yep, and I really enjoyed the photo shoot, and yeah, I took some reels for them as well. Any takeaway? Yeah, Mikako insisted that I should bring the food as a takeaway, and we have a lot of food to eat later. So yeah, praise God for that. It was really nice to shoot on location, but be mindful. My key takeaway is be mindful and plan out things well before or prior your shooting day because anything might happen. And also with the space that you have, consider the spacing so that you'll know how your footprint or how you'll move things during the shoot. So arrive earlier, ocular a little bit, observe a little bit, take some interior shots as well prior to your product shoots because it will get busier at the same time. And yeah, that's why I was able to get interior shots with a few people still, exterior shots as well at the same time, the food shots that we need. The thing is, I was planning to have an outdoor photo for them, but Yep, Melbourne's Melbourne. Weather is really unpredictable, so it rained a lot earlier during our shoot, so I was able just to get photo for the main dish, which is the katsu curry, but I wasn't able to get photos of the outdoor layout for the rest of the dishes. But the good thing is it's just nearby here in my place, and we'll get back there for some other shoots. So stay tuned in this channel and I'll post. I know I'm not that active right now on YouTube, but please do subscribe, and also on our Facebook and Instagram, because I'll be posting content soon. I just need to adapt things, and since I'm studying, I need to make some effort in doing some time management on our end. But yeah, I do promise that I'll try to shoot a lot of content right now, starting from now, and share a lot of things with you. Just don't forget to comment. Tell me if what you want to learn from my journey, and I'll try to create content from that. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Geronimo. See you on our next one. Bye. Peace.